my channel, Rachel Reviews. I look like a pirate today, and we have a D&Co unboxing. Yeah. If you haven't tried D&Co before and you would like to, I'll leave my referral link down below. It's down there. And a description about D&Co. It's a plus size style subscription service. You can pick things for your box. You can let them pick stuff for you. I think their sizes start at size 10, maybe. I don't know. It's down below. We're gonna open it up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. I opened it. Yay! I don't know. Look inside. Look inside for your stylist tips and tricks, order invoice, and more. Here's my order invoice. That's it. I don't know why I'm making weird faces today. Ahem. Mailer, send back things you don't want. Hi Rachel, it's time for another Dia box. My name is Evian. And I am thrilled to be styling you this month. That's a pretty name. I just think of it as water. As our co-founder Nadia has said, style isn't a resolution you succeed or fail at. It's self-expression that's constantly evolving. Style is a journey. I hope you're enjoying yours. I don't know. Kick off this month's box with these brick and mortar. These brick red ankle pants that are perfect for fall work looks. Throw them on with the blue smock sleeve blouse and flats. I also think you'll love these crop skinnies styled with the bobo blouse and ankle booties. She didn't send me ankle booties. Try this midi dress with a cardigan or denim jacket. I can't wait to hear from you. Just so you know, even though you have 6 items in your box, you still only need to buy 5 to receive the 25% full box discount. Be sure to let me know what you want to see in your next box. XO, Evian. Thanks, Evian. That is a really pretty name. Alright, here's our bundle. It's falling out. Peekaboo! Let's open her up. Everything's falling out, so I mean, it is what it is. I already forgot everything she suggested in the note too, so. This is the Ryan Wild size 0X. Someone asked on the last video for D&Co what a 0X was. I think it's like an extra large. Maybe like an XXL depending on the brand, but this has some sleeves. It has some elastic sleeves at the wrist. It has kind of like a V cut, but it also isn't. So, okay, that's nice. I'm not crazy about the colors, but that's okay. Okay. No, sorry, I don't know. This is by Downing Studio, size XL. It has a ruffle. It has a ruffle on the back. It has a ruffle in the front. It has buttons that are real functioning buttons down the middle. And the sleeve also has elastic right there. So, okay. The last thing I kept from them was also black and white top, so I'm like kind of hesitant. I don't really want to do that again, but we'll see. Maybe it'll be the best thing. What are you? I don't know why I'm smiling like that today. I'm sorry. And also, I can't find... Okay. Okay. Here is the dress. This is a dress. Oh, this is the night. It feels like an accordion. I guess it's black with purple flowers on it. It has a tie in the back. This is also by Downing Studio, size 0X. It has a tie. It's long. It's a long maxi dress. And this is, I swear, I just, the last box I unboxed was a Stitch Fix box, and it was like, they had the same shirt pretty much, except it was in a gold color. I don't really wear like an army print color like that. But we'll try it. Maybe it's nice. See, this is a size medium. Sizes don't mean anything, people. People can put a number or a letter on anything and call it that size. It means nothing, okay? Okay, here's some pants. What did she say about pants? This is going on and on. These aren't red. It said red. I was expecting, there's something in my eye. I can't. Hang on. I think I got it out. Okay, I was expecting red. These are not red. They are orange. They're not as orange as the camera's making them out to be, but they are like a rusty orange, which could be cute. I could wear these to work for sure, I would say. But like, she said brick red. It's not brick red. Yeah, they have pockets in the front, pockets in the back, pockets at supper time. They have ankles. They have just a regular cuff. Here's some jeans. Here are some jeans. They're stretchy AF. These are both in a size 12W. We'll see how that fits. They're just jeans. They feel nice. Okay, let's try things on. I feel like I would like this top in a different color. I know in my Stitch Fix video I said that I wasn't really liking this silhouette, but this one I think cinches in more at the waist than the Stitch Fix one did. I don't know, I'm opposed to this pattern. I feel like it's too, you know, camo-ish. And I feel like my husband would be like, come on, let's go hunting. And I don't hunt. Come on, let's go hunting. And I'd be like, okay. And this is the top I put on. And he'd be like, what are you wearing? And I'd be like, this is my hunting top. So, I don't know. I do know. If I think of it as just different color greens, maybe it's pretty. My husband would like it because it is camo reminiscent. I gotta think on that one. Anyway, here's the back. The jeans are really comfortable. They're definitely more like a legging type of jean, I would say, but they are comfy. Bring this up. They're very comfy. They have real pockets. They are more like a crop, but they're skinny. So let me show you that. Real time. There's my discarded shirt I was wearing. You're welcome. So they would be cute with ankle boots, like she said. I think she said that with this pair. They are really comfy. I think the 12W is a nice fit. So we'll see. We'll see. I feel like D & Co can be unnecessarily expensive, but the last box was like $49 and under, so. All right, let's try on more things. They're all right here. Here they are. Here is a shirt and the pants that are not red. The shirt, the sleeves are like kind of an awkward length. I can't tell if they're supposed to be all, I think they're supposed to be all the way down to the wrist, which they are. But then like, what's the elastic for? Here's that. It just flops open. It's not my cup of tea. Not my cup of tea. No, this is a no. I feel like a grandmother of sorts in it. Real time. Here's the pants. The pants are cute. I like the color. I think they're a little tight through here. Personally, for my liking. Yeah, they're just okay. Not my cup of tea either. Let's try on, real time. Let's try on the black top with it. Here's the black top, again with the elastic hitting in a weird spot. The buttons are real, so they do gap apart. So I probably have to sew it shut. To wear it, you could like tie it up, you could tuck it in. We'll just pretend. I think the ruffle's cute, but it kind of gets lost in the pattern. Like maybe if the ruffle were a different color than the rest of the shirt. You know what I mean? It's just not working for me. I have to find a different box. I don't know. Some of these clothes aren't really fitting my style lately. Okay, let's try on the dress, and then after that we'll go over prices. Okay, this dress isn't bad. I think the armholes are too big. I would have to size down, but it feels really nice. It's like a weird accordion texture. You know? Do you know? Do you know? It has a tie. You can tie it on the side, you can spin it around and have the tie be in the back. Without the tie, let's see, it is just kind of like drapey. So I think you do definitely need the tie to accentuate the waist. Did you hear that? Anyway, yeah, so I might have to eat the cost of this box. One time, I don't know why I came for it. One time I didn't like anything in their box, and they credited my styling fee for the next box. So I don't know. The jeans were nice. I did like the jeans. So I guess let's go over prices and see if I'm keeping anything. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. I don't know if I'm keeping anything. Okay, Mary Sky, Sheila, mid-rise, 25-inch butter crop skinny in dark wash, which are the jeans, size 12, $65. I'm definitely not keeping those. The Downing Studio Spencer midi dress, sleeveless tie back in purple/pink, 0X, $49. The Bobo Kiana balloon sleeve smock top in olive green, size medium, $49. The Downing Studio Vivian ruffle neck top in black ivory, XL, $44. Ryan Wild Priscilla smocked cuff blouse in navy, size 0X, $59. And the Molly Isadora Jaden ankle pant in red, size 12, $65. Just all the sizes are all over the place. Anyway, all 6 items would be $331 minus the styling fee of $20. I think I'm gonna eat my styling fee. That's what you get sometimes with these boxes. It's not always sunshine and roses. I don't know, roses are okay. Minus the styling fee, minus full box discount, $228.25 for the whole box. So, I don't think I'm keeping anything. Sorry. Sorry, a little disappointing. But that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Is anyone else distracted by my hair? It's really shiny. I switched to a new shampoo and conditioner. I don't know the name of it, couldn't tell you. I got it on Amazon. It's really shiny, it's weird. Sorry, I'm distracted, I'm okay, it's fine. Hey, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you know, thumbs it up. And yeah, thanks so much. I'll see you guys next time.